Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we just wrapped up practice for the Lake Wheeler or Wheeler Lake Bassmaster Open out here. Man, it was a long practice. 4.5 days of practice out in the heat is pretty trying experience. But anyways, we're done, and I think we've learned about as much as we are going to for this event. And yeah, overall, it was a very, very difficult practice. I feel like we ended it on a good note. I think we kind of settled into what we want to do for the event, so I'm excited about that. And obviously, I can't talk too much about what I'm doing, but I'll be able to fish my strengths. I'm really excited to do that. And I got a fair amount of bites today. You know, kind of junk fishing, shallow. And so, you know, I was pretty happy with how things have kind of ended up. So feel pretty comfortable. Don't have a whole lot of rods on the deck for tomorrow. I'm going to end up starting on a school of fish that I found the second day of practice. That if I can get on this school, and I'm boat 71, so that's the first, it's like the first third of the field. So if I have an opportunity to get on this one school, it could be really good. I don't know. You know, I ended up, you know, finding them one day, and then I checked it again, caught a good fish then. And so there's definitely something holding these fish in this particular spot. And I'm hoping that, number one, I can get on it, and number two, that they're still there. So we'll see. But if that doesn't work, it's not a big deal. We'll just keep on going to what I consider my primary pattern, fishing shallow, and just cover a lot of water. So it is going to be a grind. This tournament is definitely not going to be easy. Conditions are going to change a little bit. It's not going to be as hot. It's actually going to be raining a lot tomorrow, and there's going to be some thunderstorms rolling through. So definitely changing conditions tomorrow during the tournament. And so we're going to have to roll with the punches a little bit with those changes. But overall, guys, it was a very, very trying practice. I really tried to get, you know, a lot going offshore, but I just couldn't find anything that I felt was worthwhile. But that's okay, because we're kind of settled into something that we do enjoy doing a lot. So anyways, guys, like I said, boat 71, we're in Central Time, so I check in tomorrow at 2:50 Central. We take off at 6 in the morning, and it's going to be a blast, man. I'm really excited to get out there and see what we get, because I shook off everything today and yesterday, and I'm hoping that what I shook off are some decent fish. I'm hoping for mid-teens bag. That is the goal. But obviously, if I get to 20 pounds, I'd be happy with that too. Anyways, guys, thanks for keeping up with all the action this week. Make sure that you check out Bassmaster.com for the updates. And I'm going to see you guys out on the water. Make sure you trust the process.